Well, hello everyone. This is Irma with my note cards. This is going to be part one of a video, and I will post the link down below or somewhere for you to find it and click on that to see part two. Now, I wanted to make this quick video because I wanted to show you a special tip. As many of you know, we have some companies out there that are making these dies that fit perfectly over a stamped image. They sell you the stamp and then the die, and the reasoning is that if you put the die right over the stamped image, put it through your embossing or die cut machine, you wind up with a perfect image of the flower, the heart, whatever it is that you want to use for your card, scrapbook page, etc. Now, these things can be very costly, as you know, and some of us, are on a budget. So I decided, well, you know what, I do have several different types of punches, and why not use what I have to try to create the same type of effect. So basically what you need is you make sure that you go and you take your cardstock, your paper that has your flowers, and you flip through and you try to see where you can use your images. Okay, so again, this is not going to always be perfect, but you can still manage to make a flower, make the same or create the same effect. You're not going to, well, let's take a look. Here we have these flowers. Let me take a look at something like this. Okay, you see, beautiful. So you can keep moving this around until you find something or a flower that will cut pretty much. And again, this is to save money because, as I mentioned, very often we're on a budget, and very often we're creative, and we don't have time to stop and run to the store to get something so that we can come home and make the card or make whatever image. All right, and here we go. Oops. Here's another one. Very nice. So this only goes to show that you really don't need to have these bundle sets, though they are nice and some of them are indeed beautiful. Sometimes we just can't swing it. We can't like I mentioned, run to the store. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to flip through. Oh, this is great. This is really great. I'm going to flip through these. I'm going to cut out some of these flowers, and I'm going to make a couple of cards, and I'm going to show you the cards that I made using this technique. Okay, so stay put, and I'll see you in a little bit. And don't forget, this is part one, and in part two, I'll be showing you the cards that I've made using this technique. Bye-bye for now.